and welcome back to my channel. June happens to be Pride Month, and I was asked to make a rainbow backdrop to celebrate Pride by a local photographer. I bought 2 yards of each red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple fabric and some poly cotton. I cut each one into 6-inch wide strips, and that gave me 7 strips per color. I did use my serger to add the strips together. I did put red, yellow, green, and purple thread in my serger to go along with the rainbow theme. Once the orange and the red strips were put together, then the yellow and green, and then the purple and blue were put all together, I attached those 3 sections together where it made a rainbow. Once those 7 sections were done, I went ahead and attached all of them together, and that ended up making a 21-foot by 6-foot backdrop. After that, I folded it in half, and here I am trimming the edges so they're all straight and even. And with those edges being even, I went ahead and serged those edges so they don't fray. To hang this backdrop up, I am making a channel so a rod can go through the top of it. And all I did was take the top 12 inches and fold it over on itself and sewed down. And here is the finished backdrop. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye.